Hello everybody, welcome to the Chocolate Drive where we love monster trucks just as much as you do. Today we are at the garage where we will be unboxing 2 new trucks to add to our collection and for the Sign Up Series Racing. Today we will be unboxing Monster Mutt Golden and
Let's go.
And that was Little Chip, everybody. He's excited for all the racing we are going to do here with the Series 1 and Series 2 NASCAR and Diecast Monster trucks. Let's head to the track and see how it goes. We are at the track where we are about to unbox these 2 new trucks. Quick story here. We actually found these trucks on our vacation. They were the last 2 trucks on the shelf, and I was pretty excited to find them because I was not seeing any of the Series 31 anywhere near me in any Walmarts or any of the Targets. You guys know how hard it can be to find the trucks that you want, so we were really excited that we found these 2. Now to open up the first truck, Monster Mutt Golden.
Here we go. Whoa. Whoa.
There we go, Monster Mutt Golden. Let's put him on the track and get him going. Monster Mutt Golden Test 1! Monster Mutt Golden Test 2! Monster Mutt Golden Test 3! And there you have it. Monster Mutt Golden is now in our collection and we have tested him on the track. In my opinion, I'm giving that a 3 out of 5 stars. What are you going to give it, Little Chip?
5.
You're giving it a 5 out of 5 stars. Little Chip really likes the golden Monster Mutt. Up next, Crush Cycle.
Here we go. Hold up. This may be a whoop. Whoa. Whoa.
Before we send Crush Cycle down the track for you guys, just want to let you know about all the unboxings we have coming up. We have Megalodon from Series 29. That's the phased out Megalodon. We also have from Series 30, Carnage Asada. We really wanted that one for our Swine and Dash and our food truck collection. And we also have all of the Series 1 of the Nitro Neon trucks coming to our collection soon. Stay tuned for all those unboxing videos. Let's go back down the track. Crush Cycle Test 1. Crush Cycle Test 2. Crush Cycle Test 3. Who do you think is the fastest truck on duty, Little Chip?
Crush Cycle.
Go! And it is Crush Cycle. Crush Cycle tested on the track. I really like Crush Cycle. I'm giving him a 3.5. What are you giving him, Little Chip?
A 5.
Okay, Little Chip really likes Crush Cycle. Now, guys, it's time for Series 1 and Series 2 Monster Jam Diecast car and Diecast truck racing. Who will be the fastest diecast car from Monster Jam Series 1 and 2? Will it be the Bakugan, Dragonoid, Megalodon, Fire, El Toro Loco, or Son of a Digger? Let's find out! Megalodon Fire stuck in the blocks. He has a bad start, so we'll do a redo. Maybe a race 2 and 3. El Toro Loco chasing Bakugan Dragonoid, but it's not enough to keep up with Son of a Digger, who takes the first win here. Race 2, let's see if Megalodon can get a better start. Here we go! Megalodon comes back, gets a great start, hits the guardrail at the end, it doesn't finish. So does El Toro Loco bumping into him. Bakugan Dragonoid flipping over, but it's Son of a Digger again who wins race 2 here. Race 3, the final race here with these Diecast Monster Jam cars. Son of a Digger is the fastest, but this one's for fun. As the rain drops, so does the gate. Lots of fun here. Son of a Digger gets blocked by Megalodon Fire. I think he took it personal that Son of a Digger won the first 2 races. El Toro Loco chases Bakugan. He tried to get a win, but Bakugan Dragonoid crash lands across the finish line just in time here for the win. Son of a Digger holds the title right now for our fastest Monster Jam Diecast car. Next up, it's Megalodon, then Bakugan Dragonoid, and El Toro Loco. Now, let's find out who is the fastest of the Diecast monster trucks in Series 1 and 2 of our collection. Race 1 on the straight track. El Toro Loco versus Son of a Digger, go! Awesome racing. Son of a Digger bicycling out of the way of El Toro Loco as he goes for a block and takes the win. Race 2 on the straight track. Megalodon Fire taking on the Bakugan Dragonoid. Go! Bakugan Dragonoid redeems himself here. He is headed to the finals against El Toro Loco here on the straight track. And the fastest of our Series 1 and Series 2 trucks on the straight track is going to be El Toro Loco as he sticks to the track and seals the deal, taking the win against Bakugan Dragonoid, who spins out on the rainy track. El Toro Loco gets the job done and wins round 1 here on the straight track in the rain. If you like the racing and want more, check out the video and playlist at the end. Now it's time for jump track racing. Round 2, race 1. Son of a Digger takes on Megalodon Fire. Who's gonna win it here? Megalodon suffering from a bad landing. He joins his family in the shark pit, while Son of a Digger makes a comeback and tumbles across the finish line. He's headed to the finals. Round 2, race 2. We saw this matchup in the finals, and Bakugan suffered bad luck against El Toro Loco. Will he win it here? It's another stroke of bad luck for Bakugan Dragonoid, who suffers from a bad landing on the jump, while El Toro Loco storms through with Crazy Bull energy to take the win. It's time for the finals, with Son of a Digger representing Monster Jam Series 2 and El Toro Loco representing Monster Jam Series 1 in a best-of-3 final. Who's going to win race 1? El Toro Loco, who unleashes Crazy Bull energy and takes the first win here in the finals against Son of a Digger. The finals, race 2. Will El Toro Loco end it all here, or will Son of a Digger make a comeback? Son of a Digger explodes on the jump, while El Toro Loco settles the score from the Diecast car racing and wins the monster truck racing. Congratulations, El Toro Loco. Congratulations goes out to the winners of our racing events today, Son of a Digger and El Toro Loco. Welcome to our collection, Cross Cycle and Monster Mutt Golden. We look for many great performances from you guys in our upcoming racing events. Thank you guys for racing with us today in the diecast cars and monster trucks. Don't forget, coming up soon, we will be unboxing our Series 1 Nitro Neon set, and from Series 29, Megalodon, and from Series 30, Carnage Asada. Which of these trucks do you want us to unbox next? Let us know in the community poll. And now, guys, before we go, it's time for bonus racing!
Everybody from the front to the back. Everybody from the front to the back, go. Don't stop the party. Don't stop the rave. Don't stop the party. Don't stop the rave. Don't stop the party. Don't stop the rave. Don't stop.